planner friends, and welcome back to my channel. So for this week I have a whole bunch of stuff that I have picked out because this week well, I'm not quite sure what I'm doing this week. So this is the 16th through the 22nd. Let me get this thing out of here. And I had some ideas for this week. But I didn't really have the stickers that I wanted. At least not, I didn't buy specific stickers. And there are my neighbor's dogs going crazy. I hope you guys don't hear them in the background. Okay, so for this week, I had the idea for rum pirate theme, or a lemonade theme, or a roller coaster. So I have this book, except I have no idea where the heck it is. It is the Southern Comfort book, and I know that one has stuff for lemonade, but I can't find it. So I went to Daiso and I got these really cool papers, and they have lemon and kiwi and grapefruit. So I'm going to use a couple of the lemon papers. Looks like there are 5 sheets each. So we'll see how that goes. So this is going to be my main inspiration here, are the lemon ones. So I'm probably, oh, and they say something. It says fresh lemon. Okay, so might have like a piece of lemon there, maybe in another corner. Pretty much I'm going to use them like stickers to go all over the place. And then I also had these yellow bumblebees from a bumblebee spread I did a couple of months ago. So since they're yellow, I want to throw them in there. And then I pulled out some books and I actually flagged some stuff, like in this one, Live in the Sunshine. It's a nice bright yellow sticker. And then I also have this little noted sticker, maybe a coffee cup, I don't know. But plenty of yellow stuff in these sticker books. So I'm not going to talk through this video like I did the last two. And yeah, I know, I have not posted those yet either. I'm getting there. Hopefully I'm going to have everything posted soon. Hopefully this week, next week, maybe. I don't know. We'll see where life takes us. So I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through everything, and I will see you at the end. friends, this is it. So this is the spread for this week. The reason I chose this for the lemons is for National Lemonade Day, which is on the 20th. And as I was putting the stickers down, I noticed that the 21st is World Honeybee Day. So of course I had to fit a whole bunch of the little honeybees on here. So there we go. There is my beautiful spread. I am actually pretty happy with this. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.